guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing New Toys Truck Ping Cool. This has 40 pieces. Wow, look at all these mighty machines. This set comes with this really cool city play map. It has so many different signs and so many different mighty machines. Let's take them all out and take a look. Wow, this set has so many different pieces. Let's look at each one. We have this really cool safety barrier. We also have a caution sign. No U-turn. Another caution sign. Here's a pedestrian sign. It says, "Do not enter. One way. Trucking cool fun games." Here we have a give way sign. No left turn. Stop. Straight ahead. Do not enter. Slow. And a parking sign. We also have 8 barrels. We have 4 red barrels and we have 4 white barrels. We have 2 safety cones and we have 3 trees. There is a construction car. Look at the excavator! Wow, he's got some really neat tracks. And he can turn all the way around. And his scoop can raise up and down too. Look, there's an articulated wheeled loader. He's so cool. Here comes a cement truck. Wow, look, his barrel really rolls. These strong, mighty machines are ready for action. Look at this amazing semi-truck. Wow, it's so big. We also have this crane truck. Look, it has a bucket on it. It can raise and lower. It can be used as a utility truck or so many other things. We also have a helicopter. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.